Hey, how's it going? So, some changes. So one of the main changes I've done is I've updated some of the icons. I've added some new bosses, well, not bosses, no more enemies, so different kind of enemy types. And I made some sound effects for the power up. So let's get into that. So here's an enemy. Oh, there's a power up already. That's the laser power up. Looks much better now. Alright, this is one of the enemies that shoot directly at you. Or close enough. What am I supposed to be shooting now? Eye? Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's do another enemy. Oh, that's the same one. See, he's shooting in my general direction. Unless... Oh! Got me. Well played, sir. Alright, here's another one. This one just shoots in like a random direction. In fact, that's kind of broke right now. So I need to fix that. But it's shooting down, or whatever. So let's get another laser beam. I'm supposed to be shooting Kana. That's the whole point of the game. Alright, let's do another one. Again, that one's shooting at me. Let's bring another one in. Another one that's not shooting at me. And hopefully we can get the third kind. Jesus Christ, we're not getting... Oh, there it is. There we are. That one does a... let's shoot in all directions. So let's get rid of you, because you're pretty dangerous. And there's that sound effect again for picking up the laser. Alright, so... what am I supposed to be shooting now? You? The... there we go. Shoot that one. As always, the laser is still here. I really like that. It's one of my favorite additions. Alright, let's go get that laser thing. Shoot this useless piece of shit. Oh, nope, I died doing it. Oh well. There we go. He's gone. Alright. Whoop! And you're gone. Woo! Oh shit, I hit something trying to dodge that. Anyway, this is kind of what it looks like now. Oh, that's not... Oh, now we're doing Ket. There we go. See, and I don't think things show up too fast or anything like that. Oh, there's a speed up. See, it's way more tactile now. Oh, now I'm dead. So that's where I am with that. Yeah, there's the update. My apologies for the lethargy. I am actually very tired. I don't have a cool story saying that I stayed up all night coding, because that's actually kind of minimal stuff to be included in the game. I spent most of my time today actually trying to fix the delta time with acceleration. See, I don't have delta time included in this game. It's locked at 60 frames per second. And I can change that over so it's frame rate independent, except for one thing: the ship's acceleration doesn't accelerate as frame independent. If it's on a higher frame rate, the acceleration occurs faster. If it's on a lower frame rate, the acceleration occurs slower. So I'm trying to solve that problem. But that's it for this I guess devlog. I wish I could make this a bit more interesting. Don't know why I just said that. Bye.